Hello, I'm Prophet Ronald Dwayne Whitfield. As I speak at this time, I think it's 12:40 p.m. Monday, January 2020. I was on YouTube and I'm listening to Counsel to the President, Miss Kelly uh, Conaway, something like that. I like her, but I'm still kind of not understanding what's the problem here. Mr. Rudy Giuliani has already stated the same thing that I've been saying. I wish Mr. President Donald Trump would put Mr. Rudy Giuliani and make him as his lead attorney, even though he seems to have not been on the team that the President of the United States has called for himself, appointed to defend him and represent him during the sham Senate proceedings. By doing so, he could call the shots behind the scenes. And if Rudy were in charge, then Rudy would present from the get-go, not wait until the prosecution has presented her so-called evidence and then move to present a motion to dismiss on the merits. A motion to dismiss there's no such thing as a motion to dismiss on the merits. A motion to dismiss does not reach the merit. So a motion to dismiss with prejudice, and the basis for this motion to dismiss with prejudice should be presented first with a plea to the jurisdiction of the Congress, followed by a motion to dismiss. The Congress can do this on her own motion. The Chief Justice can do this on his own motion without the senators, nor anyone else, because he is the presiding, he's the Chief Justice, he's the presiding judge of the trial. So when I say plea to jurisdiction, as I stated yesterday, these articles of impeachment, in order for the Congress to have jurisdiction to move forward to a trial, it must first be established that she has jurisdiction. Does that make sense? The Congress has to have power to proceed to a Senate trial. And therefore, the way the Congress have jurisdiction to impeach the president? Yes. Does the Congress have jurisdiction to render a judgment against the president or acquit the president? And if the judgment is against the president, upon conviction, remove him from office? Yes to that question too. The fact that the House of Representatives has transmitted to the Senate two articles of impeachment does not have anything to do with the question of whether or not these articles of impeachment state a cause of action. Does not mean that the two articles of impeachment confer jurisdiction in the Senate to proceed to a jury trial to hear this crap. These articles of impeachment on their face must allege a crime against the United States or a crime as described by the United States Constitution. If these articles of impeachment do not state a crime, the vermin therein of bribery, treason, or some other high crime or misdemeanor, you cannot hear the matter. Congress does not and will not have authority. The senators will not, and the Chief Justice will not have any authority. Whatever they do going forward will be void. or call it null, but never say void and null, like saying pussy and vagina. They mean the same thing. It's either void or null, but I'm telling you, and I would put, if God would allow me to put life that God has breathed in me, I would put that on the line. Now, with confidence, I know goddamn well these motherfucking attorneys out here, the fact that this is they keep trying to say, not trying, they are saying it's political. What does that mean? It doesn't matter by it being political. Political does not take away, cancel, nullify, negate the President of the United States' legal rights, nor the need for Congress to have authority and power. Jurisdiction is the power of the Congress to convene and conduct her business. She must for example, just pay attention to what you see going on in Congress. They have to, just like in a court, they have to call a Congress into session and proceed and recess or adjourn. Recess and adjourn are slightly different, but back on point. If you all don't stop this here, then Congress can, from this day forward, go forward. We're just moving to impeach a president, and the Senate can go forward with hearing anything that the House of Representatives want to say is a crime or what. They can impeach a president for anything. Any federal judge. You federal judges have interest, a liberty interest, because Congress also impeach federal judges and justices. So you need to step up and say something. How can we? Yes, you look, man. Y'all, the Congress, somebody supposed to be taking congressional notice, like federal judges take judicial notice of a fact not privately known. These members of Congress, you got to know